If you click on the online classes feature of Intract app, you will first have to select the classroom. From here, you can see the previously scheduled classes for the particular classroom. If you want to schedule a new class, click on the plus sign at the bottom right corner and select the platform. If you choose Google Meet, you will have to link your account to the Intract app from where you want to schedule the classes. Then fill in the fill in the title, select the subject, select the start date time. Select the date and end time as well. Click on submit. A link will be created by Google Meet and a class will be scheduled. Hence, the student will be notified. If you want to create a Zoom meeting, then select Zoom meeting option and fill in the title. Select the subject. Paste the meeting link here and then select the start date time. And the end time as well. Press on submit. If you have a custom link or a particular link for a class, then select the custom link option, fill in the title, select the subject, paste the meeting link which you have, and then select the start date time. And the end time as well. Click on submit. This way, you can create different classes on the same link. Whenever you want to join a class, click on the class which is created and you will be directed directly to the scheduled class. Remember, students will be notified when you schedule a class and then 15 minutes prior to the class. Thank you.